Hello everybody, it's been a while since we made a YouTube video. We're starting a new job today over at Right Way in Virgin Gorda. Day 2, Virgin Gorda, Right Way. Hey guys, so we're at Cash and Carry in Tortola. Hey guys, in this video we install a custom color micro topping cement application. Hey guys, so we're here at our old workshop at Havers in Tortola. Hey guys, we're here at Cash and Carry in Tortola. Hey guys, we're back at 1 Martin East End today. We have to work in the evenings because the store is open till 8 o'clock at night, and we have to work after hours. Hey guys, so day 2, Virgin Gorda, Right Way. Everything went to plan last night, so we're going to continue doing the same process we did last night. In this video, we install 5,300 square feet of stamped concrete in the heart of the British Virgin Islands in Roadtown. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. 2022 was a big year for us following the pandemic. We're back on track, we're getting busier, and we want to thank everyone that supported us, watched our videos, liked our photos, and gave us business. We really appreciate it. Here's to 2023, guys. Bigger, better jobs, continuing to learn with everyone, and just having fun while we're doing it, documenting the journey as much as we can. Cheers, guys. Here's to 2023. Boom.